Remove the child safety lock from your cabinets without damaging the paint. I'll show you how. First, get yourself any blow dryer and start heating it up. Just heat it up. And if you're not holding a camera, you can start using a thin knife. Watch this. A thin knife, old knife, and go through it with the dull side. Just push through from the behind slowly, and don't rip it off. Let it do the work. Let your pressure do the work. And if you need to heat it up even more, do it. Especially if you're not holding a camera. All right, and almost, there you go. Now, you see this? Step 2, coming. What you need to do is get yourself a very wet towel. Just water, wet towel, and go over it. Go over it. I don't want to pause it. So you see that there is some work to be done. See, it's coming off already. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna switch my arm. Hold the camera. All right. There you go. There you go. And just work it out. Work it out. See, it's coming off without any damage to the paint. Simple, right? All right. It's almost done. Get it. All right. More white, more water. You got it. Hand is getting tired. Come on. Am I gonna give up first? Or will the glue win? Stay tuned. I got it, almost. My arm is falling off. Come on. And got it. All right, perfect. No damage at all. All right.